Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 from Metro by T-Mobile. So the Moto G Stylus is now here at Metro. It's now available in a caramel latte color, which is pretty interesting. It's available with 120 gigabytes of storage there. So that is the front and back of the Moto G Stylus right there. It looks like the Moto G Stylus from last year. So that's pretty cool if you guys like the design. If you guys like a particular design of a phone, and you guys like how a phone looks and all that. So you guys got front and back right there. You guys got your whole punch safe front facing camera there, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. You do have the stylus pen right there, of course, as this is a stylus phone with the stylus. So you guys got is that dual cameras on the back there? It looks like dual cameras. Dual LED flash possibly, and your Motorola logo there on the back. Left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot right here. There'll be a little pinhole in your node where it's at. Back of the Moto G Stylus is your camera setup there. Dual cameras. Looks like dual LED flash. Your Motorola logo there. Very nice. There is the right side power button, volume keys, and it says it's a caramel latte color, but it looks like a grayish color on screen. But if you see it in person, it should look like what the color is supposed to be. So So the Moto G Stylus can be yours for free if you guys put your number of the Metro. You can get this phone for free. If you get like a new number, like a brand new number with Metro, you can get the Moto G Stylus for $29.99, which is pretty good. For retail price is $259.99. And you guys can see right there, it says bring your number and get the Moto G Stylus for free, basically, with a Metro Flex Plus plan. If you guys don't know, the Metro Flex plans are new at Metro, so check this out if you guys are interested. You have to have the Metro Flex Plus plan to get it for free. So basically, if you guys want to get a free phone, you basically have to put your number of the Metro and get the higher tier plan. Basically, how it works. So features. So the Moto G Stylus has 2 cameras in the back, so I was right. You have a 50 megapixel ultra pixel camera with optical image stabilization, plus a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with macro vision, 32 megapixel front facing camera, 6.7 inch OLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate. That is 2400 by 1080 pixels, 34 hours of talk time, 18.8 days of standby time. Other features of the Moto G Stylus includes new built-in stylus, 6.7 inch OLED display with Dolby Atmos, 13 megapixel ultra-wide angle plus macro vision camera, 5,000 mAh battery for over a day of battery life, 30 watt turbo power charging, and 15 watt wireless capable of wireless charging. So that's very cool. Standard design with vegan leather finish. 256 gigabytes of storage plus RAM boost is pretty nice right there. It says introducing Moto G Stylus 5G with the new stylus that takes expression to another level. Jot notes, edit photos, sketch artwork, and navigate effortlessly with even faster responsiveness experience. Similar quality entertainment on the 6.7 inch OLED display, backed by Dolby Atmos sound. Capture sharper photos and smoother videos with the 50 megapixel ultra pixel camera system featuring optical image stabilization, and have plenty of power when inspiration strikes, thanks to a 5,000 milliamp battery and ultra fast turbo power charging. Wherever you go, you will have a statement Wherever you go, you'll make a statement with a standout design featuring vegan leather. And with tons of storage, you'll have room for all your favorite content, and creations. Express yourself like never before with Moto G Stylus 5G, alright? And here are some different bullet points that you guys need to take note of about different features of the phone. Specs: the Moto G Stylus has, of course, a 5,000 mAh battery. Of course, it has Type-C charging, a headphone jack, which is very nice to see because you guys don't really see headphone jacks anymore, especially on flagship phones. This is like a budget smartphone, so keep that in mind. Alright. Connectivity options for the Moto G Stylus includes Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, so you guys can use Google Pay on this phone and tap to pay and all that good stuff. The processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, Android 14, I think, right? I'm not Android 14, I think. It doesn't tell you what Android version it runs. It just tells you it runs Android. It should tell you what version it runs. I think it runs Android 14, but I could be wrong. If I am wrong, please let me know in the comments below. I would greatly appreciate that. Anyways, you guys have 8 GB of RAM, 2 TB of micro SD card expansion, wireless emergency, wireless network technology. Yeah, of course, you guys get 4G LTE and 5G, supported email platform, train aid, compatibility, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot frequencies. The Moto G Stylus weighs 6.7 ounces. Dimensions on the Moto G Stylus: 6.4 inches height, 2.94 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. What comes with the Moto G Stylus is, of course, your Moto G Stylus 5G smartphone, Type-C charging cable, your guys like terms and conditions and stuff like that, and some ejection tool. So you send itself in the box there. Yeah. There you guys have it. The Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. Y'all guys can get it for free if you guys put your number over the Metro and get the Metro Flex Plus plan. So definitely worth checking out for that. For $259, it's still a good deal. And yeah, it says 120 gigabytes of storage up here on the top of the screen, but if you go down to like the description of the phone about the specs and stuff, it says it has 256 gigabytes of storage. So I don't know which one is correct. Y'all let me know which is correct. Does the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 has 128 gigabytes of storage or 256 gigabytes of storage? Because that's pretty confusing to me. So y'all let me know about that. I would greatly appreciate that, and that would help other people out as well. So so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If Lee helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.